Hey guys, what's happening? How to send money from Wise to bank account. So you're gonna click your currency, right? In my case, I'm using USD. So I'm gonna click the USD. And as you can see right here, I'm gonna be able to see the send button. So go ahead and hit send. Okay. And now I'm gonna send $7, for example. Right? Or how like any amount that you want to send, and you're gonna see the fees, right? And it should arrive in like 11 hours. If you want to schedule it for another day, you can just go ahead and hit the date and schedule it for another month or another day. Okay, and then hit continue after you finish, and add the recipient's email, phone number, or their tag on Wise. So I'm gonna click add recipient. Okay, you can enter bank details and search Wise. In our case, we want to send this balance to our bank account. So I'm gonna click the second option right here, right? And then I'm gonna be able to add the new recipient, right? And I'm gonna enter myself because I want to receive that money to my bank account. So I'm gonna click the first option, and you can add recipient's bank details if you have routing number in your region and account number in the account type, checking or for savings. In my case, I'm using international bank account, right? So I'm either using Wire or Swift. So in my case, I'm gonna use Swift, right? And I'm gonna enter obviously the name of the bank account holder and add the BIC code, right? Depending on your region. In our case, let's say, right here, which is in our country, and of course enter the IBAN, and then follow along to confirm that this is your bank account, and you're gonna wait for Wise to verify the bank account, and they will send the money minus the fees to your bank. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and catch you in the next time.